Hi, this is Assistant Director Mary Bell, and today I want to show you how to borrow ebooks and audiobooks from Overdrive. I'm using my laptop, but you can also use the app for your Apple or Android device. Look for Libby or Overdrive in your App Store, but note that your initial setup is going to look a little different. Okay, so to start, we're going to go to wilbrahamlibrary.org, hover our mouse over eBooks and media, and click on Overdrive. You can also get here directly by typing cwmars.overdrive.com into your browser address bar and hitting enter. So now I'm going to sign in first. Since we're a CW Mars library, that's selected in the drop-down already. I'm going to leave that there. And then type in your library card, a capital D if you have a 10-digit number and no spaces, and your PIN, which is the same to log into your library account. By default, this should be the last 4 digits of your phone number or your last name in all capital letters. If you don't know it, contact us and we'll reset it for you. And now I'm going to click Sign In. If you don't have a library card temporarily, you can log in using a mobile number. So don't let that stop you if you don't have a physical card yet. Now we're at the home page, and as I scroll down, you're going to see different curated lists, mysteries, traveling the world, things like that. Each of these lists are updated on a regular basis. You can see as you look at the books, there's a few things to note. Up here where it says available, you know that that's something you can download right away. Down here, there's a little icon for ebook and another one for audiobook. And then there's a link to borrow right away if that's what you wanted to do. Now back up here at the top, I want to point out really quickly that under collections, you can look at all available now ebooks by clicking on this link. You can also click on all available now audiobooks and videos. And you can do a search. So what I'm going to put in to start with, I don't have a particular title in mind. I'm just going to put historical fiction and see what I get. Once I've performed this search, you can see I have over almost 8,000 titles available and not available because this one says waitlist right up here. That is one I would have to put a hold on. So let's limit it to available now. Change the audience from all ages to general adult. And I still have 3,000 titles, so let's go down here where it has different subjects. You can see historical fiction is one of them. And I want to do mystery. So now I'm looking for things that would be considered historical mysteries. So I'm going to scroll down here and see what looks interesting. I kind of like the look of this cover, so let's hit borrow. Right over here is a drop-down menu that 21 days is selected, but you can select if you want 7, 14, or 21 days. I'll just leave it there and hit borrow again. So now it's checked out to me, and if I wanted to see it, I would go back up to the top and look under My Account. Click on Loans, and you see everything that's checked out to you right now. Now, if I wanted to start reading the book, I would just hit Read in Browser right there. It opens up a new tab, and I would start reading the book. And just click on the right or swipe if you have a touchscreen, and it'll go to the next page. It does save where you are in reading. So say I'm here on the very beginning and I click out of it. If I go back into my account and hit Read Now in Browser, it pops right back to where I was. And then when I'm done, I can hit Return here on the bottom, and it goes right back and is available for another patron. So that's a little bit about how to borrow and search in Overdrive. If you have any questions in getting started or as you go through it, feel free to email us at reference@wilbrahamlibrary.org or leave questions in the comments as well.